Good morning students, welcome again IDPS online classes. In previous class we have studied about different layers of the earth, topic of chapter 2nd, and today I am going to explain to you another topic of chapter 2nd, rocks and minerals. So the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural masses and mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is known as a rock. Rock are three types of rock. First is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when the lava is actually fiery red molten magma, and igneous is a Latin word. Ignis means fire. So when this molten magma cools, it becomes a solid, and rocks formed in such a way is called a igneous rocks. And this igneous rocks is also known as a primary rock. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. So sometime the molten magma cools deep inside the earth crust and become a solid, and rocks formed in such a way is called a intrusive igneous rocks. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rocks. Second one, extrusive igneous rocks. So when this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes a solid, and rocks formed in such a way on the earth crust is called a extrusive igneous rocks. Basalt is an example of extrusive igneous rocks. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. So rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken into small fragments. These small particles are known as sediments. And these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water, and these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layer of rocks, and these type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made up of grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Third rock is a metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under the great heat and pressures. For example, clay change into slate and limestone change into the marble. Rock cycle. So rock cycle is when one type of rocks changes to another type under the certain conditions in a cyclic manner, and this process is known as transformation of the rocks from one to another is known as a rock cycle. So when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rocks, and these igneous rocks are broken into small particles that are transported and deposited into form sedimentary rocks. And when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressures, they change into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under the great heat and pressures, melt down to form molten magma, and this molten magma again cool down and solidified into igneous rocks. Minerals, another topic of this chapter, minerals. So rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical compositions. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some minerals are used as fuels, for example coal, natural gas and petroleums. Some minerals are used in industries also, like iron, aluminium, gold and uranium. And some minerals are used in medicines like calciums. Some are used in fertilizers like magnesiums and phosphorus.